What's up guys, April 14th, 2016. Today I'm going to be doing how-to of how to change your AC actuator in the 2004 Ford Explorer. From 2002 to 2010, it's all the same thing, same steps, same procedure. Maybe it's a little different because the newer generation Explorers are different. You'll need doorman part number 604209. That's what I got. It was in my budget. You can get Ford OEM and everything. It does all the same job. You're just paying for the brand. Tools required is flathead screwdriver, 10mm, 8mm wrench, preferably ratchet wrench with the gears, because the AC actuator, the hvac, that's the correct name for it, is in a very weird spot. I'm going to show you the reason why. You're going to need 8mm, 7mm, and 10mm sockets. Well, socket extension. Yeah, sorry about that. And you need the hex socket screwdriver, 3/8, doesn't matter. Need a flathead because I have the smokers package Explorer. So instead of using a 7mm where the actual mounting screw is, it's two flatheads. So yep, let's get started guys. Oh, this is the new actuator, how it looks like. The reason why these go so quick is because they use plastic gears, and over years they tend to fail a lot. And it's white from Ford, but Doorman makes them black. The correct one is the one that has the plug-in right here. It's vacuum operated, so yeah. You want me to show you guys what's wrong with the old one? No problem. I don't have to start the car because it does it no matter what. So I'm going to put it on auxiliary. And I'm going to turn it over to heat. You hear that noise? And then when you turn it back, it still does it. So mine is far gone, but if I keep it right there, it goes away. I have no heat, I just have AC. Basically what that is, it's an actuator right behind here. You have to take your Phillips head, one here, take that out. And when that comes out, you take a flathead, you pry this out, take that out. There's gonna be two, I think 10mm right here, one here. Take those out. Then in the back here, there's I think an 8mm or a 10mm. Take a flathead, pry open this, unloosen that. This comes apart. And then there's two more 8mm or 10mm down there. Disconnect your cigarette lighter, disconnect your power source and stuff. And yeah, let's get to it guys. No, you don't have to take apart the whole dashboard or anything. It's just the actuator. It's not the actual door. So thank gosh. And let me show you guys what basically you're gonna want to take your flathead, loosen that ashtray area, keep that in a safe place. I'm gonna keep it right on my chair because I know it's not going anywhere. Should come apart. I actually believe there's a 7mm down there. I haven't worked on this before. It's new. See right there? There you go, there's the 7. Whoa, this thing used to be a smoker. Well, whoever had this before me smoked a lot. I'm gonna clean that up. And now you take your 7mm, remove that one, right here, and in a safe place. That's gonna go there. Pull that, comes out like that. I have a CB radio connected, so let me disconnect that. Connect antenna, connect the bass boost. Okay, that should go like that. Oh son, that would have been bad. Okay, put this in a safe place. Get my fuse that fell. Now you got to 8mm, 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 10mm. Remove that. So don't want to lose that. Ba, 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 ba. Wow, that's a long screw. It's a real long screw. 10mm. And yes, guys, my tranny's right underneath there. Soon I'll have a 5-speed, yo. Sometime in the future, if I still have this thing. Okay. Now, gotta release these tabs. Don't want to break it now. Pull the seat up and release the tabs in the back. Oh, nice. There's no tabs there, it's just exposed. That's very unprofessional. Very unprofessional. There we go. This one. Okay, so now you gotta take out the mounting plates for the HVAC. The ductwork. So it's a 10mm. Okay. And you got the two 10mm in the bottom, which I don't think you gotta lose, but yeah, you do. Don't be lazy, guys. Alright, guys, so looking at it, I got the bottom screw loose already, right? And then now it looks like we have to release the screws from here, here, the two tabs on top here for the bottom cover of the steering column. Because there's a screw all the way at the top above the connector, and I don't think I can get it from here. I'm gonna try, but I don't know if you guys could see that, but all the way down there, do you see that little 10mm? No, I mean 7mm? 8mm, I'm sorry guys. Right there, look. I can't see it. Hold on. Let me try to see it. Alright. Just loosen it. I hope we're going the correct way. Nope, wrong way. See, guys? Okay. What? It's hard to see. I hope you guys could see it. But release, 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 release. So now when you take out the two 7mm, one here, pops out like this, but then there's gonna be two tabs here. You push out like that. It sounds like it broke, but it didn't. It's another one right there. And there's another one somewhere here. Pops out. Put that in the back. Now you should see on top. What? There's no headroom in here at all, guys. Well, it's all the way. Look, that one bolt right on top of that connector. You see it? Right on top there. Alright guys, I found an easy way. You lie underneath like this, and you push your hand in all the way like that. And put your hand all the way up there and go at it. Oops, you can't see me, guys. I can't even see it without the light, so you guys know what's coming. Alright guys, I'm getting it. I'm using you guys the camera lens as my eyes, but I don't think that's working out, so Right there. Can you guys see what I'm doing? It's a very bad spot, honestly. And but it's coming out. Almost out. It's a very bad spot though. Oh. How in earth is this possible? Alright. There we go. Now, it's getting that bastard out of there. Oh, it ain't coming out. I'll get it out. Okay, so the part's correct. Everything's the same. Connections are all the same. So this is the old one. And that's why it wasn't working. The whole thing. But the reason why these fail is because, as you can tell, it's not factory. So that means this thing did go before. And if you look closely, right there, you see it? The tool's broken. And that's internal right there. This is the motor. This is the connector. Oh, this thing's garbage. And don't want to open that back up because it just messed up my entire car. So, thank you for not giving me heat. Alright, so this is the new one. The foam that goes right there, sits right there. Don't know what it does, but it looks burnt. And I'm gonna get it installed. Don't know how I'm gonna get it back in there because to get it out was a pain. I could imagine getting it back in and getting the shaft in there to thing, but I know they said keep it on the cold position. Oh, guys, it's the new one is finally in. Look at that. It was a pain in the butt. What it's in. I didn't break nothing. I just pushed out this bumper right here. I mean, this dashboard right here. With Hulk force to get it in there. I'm gonna get the bolts back in, start it up, and show you guys that I hope it works, because that was a lot of work just to get my heat working. It wasn't a lot of work, I promise.